Hidden in the Horn of Africa lies a land of ancient secrets, majestic landscapes, and cultural treasures that the world has barely scratched the surface of. Welcome to Ethiopia. But Ethiopia isn't just about coffee and long-distance runners. This country is packed with mind-blowing history, jaw-dropping places, and facts that will leave you stunned. Stay tuned, because today, we're diving into amazing places and things you didn't know about Ethiopia. The only African country never colonized. Let's start with a flex. Ethiopia is the only African country that was never colonized. That's right. Back in 1896, when European powers were slicing up Africa like a pie, Ethiopia stood up to Italy at the Battle of Adwa and won. That victory still echoes in Ethiopian pride and African history. The rock-hewn churches of Lalibela. In the remote mountains of northern Ethiopia lies one of the most surreal sights on earth, the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela. These 11 churches weren't built, they were carved out of solid rock from the top down. No scaffolding. No modern machines. Just human hands and divine inspiration. Many believe they were created in the 12th century under the orders of King Lalibela, who wanted a new Jerusalem in Africa. The birthplace of coffee. You love coffee? You can thank Ethiopia for that. Legend says a goat herder named Kaldi noticed his goats dancing after eating red berries. Those berries became the foundation of what we now call coffee. Today, coffee isn't just a drink in Ethiopia, it's a ritual. A symbol of community. And trust me, Ethiopian coffee ceremonies are something every traveler must experience. The Danakil Depression, hottest place on Earth. Welcome to another planet, literally. The Danakil Depression is one of the hottest, driest, and lowest places on Earth. With acid pools, lava lakes, and neon-colored sulfur fields, it looks like a sci-fi movie set. Temperatures can hit over 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet, life survives here. Even salt miners. If Earth has a hellscape, this might be it, but it's strangely beautiful. Lucy, the oldest human ancestor. Say hello to your great-great-great-grandaunt, times a few million. Discovered in 1974, Lucy is a 3.2 million-year-old hominid skeleton found in Ethiopia's Afar region. She changed everything we thought we knew about human evolution. That's why Ethiopia is often called the cradle of humanity. Timkit, the baptism festival. Think festivals are fun? Wait until you see Timkit. It's a massive celebration of Epiphany in the Ethiopian Orthodox Church. Picture vibrant processions, ancient chants, dazzling robes, and thousands plunging into pools to reenact the baptism of Jesus in the Jordan River. It's spiritual. It's electric. It's unforgettable. Blue Nile Falls, the smoking water. Known locally as Tizisit, meaning the smoking water, the Blue Nile Falls are a thunderous marvel. Located near Bahir Dar, these falls crash with a force that sends mist spiraling into the sky. They feed into the Blue Nile, which eventually joins the White Nile to form the legendary Nile River. It's raw nature, and it's powerful. Unique time and calendar. Get this, Ethiopia runs on its own calendar. It's 7 years behind the Gregorian one. That means if it's 2025 where you are, it's 2017 in Ethiopia. Also, their time system is different. The day starts at 6 a.m. So when it's 7 o'clock in Ethiopia, they call it 1 o'clock. Confused? You're not alone. The Highlands and Simien Mountains. Adventure seekers, meet your next destination, the Simien Mountains. Carved by time and crowned by jagged peaks, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to gelada monkeys, walia ibex, and dramatic cliffs that will leave you speechless. It's one of Africa's greatest trekking experiences. Ethiopia is not just a country. It's a timeline of human existence, a fusion of cultures, and a land of extremes and beauty that defies imagination. So, the next time you sip coffee or look at a calendar, remember, there's a whole world waiting for you in the heart of East Africa. Don't just watch history, walk through it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what surprised you the most about Ethiopia.